Alright, this is what's going on here. This drain was clogged from the cement that overflowed and went in there and was not flushed out, or I should say it should not even go in there. That drain should have been blocked. But anyway, some cement go down in there and it's blocked. It's filling this whole U right here. I try to get out some of the concrete, but I can't reach all up there, so I had to cut this out. So, cutting this out, I had to dig here on the mine, and then I used this inside PVC cutter here with this extension here and cut down inside the pipe down there. Cut it right around, and here it is. This is it right here. Where this was. Oh, there's an next part of the elbow. Anyway, this was like this in here. So this is the part here where I cut out with that inside PVC cutter here. And with the same setup, pretty much the same setup, just that I'm using two no-hub couplings, no-hub bands here, because there's no space to use a stick coupling. So using these, I don't want to use a slip coupling. Most time you use slip coupling is, I think you still get a leak because you're kind of pretty much wiping off the glue. It works sometimes. I'll use it for vent, not for drain. It could have worked down here too, because wherever a little water drop, it's going to be going in the ground. But anyway, so yeah, this is the setup here. So this is going to go back in here like this. We're going to flip up the rubbers and connect it there, and he's going to connect under. And I'm going to put my hand down here through the space, tighten the band that is under there, and this one here is easy access to tighten right from the top. Alright, I can't show you all the whole process, but I explain it pretty much. So I'm going to complete this and take a pit. Alright.